Something.
Oh no,
That,
I do know. Oh,
that
it's
is pretty
not
cool.
loading. Oh yeah, I clicked on it. There we go. I see it.
Stupid.
Stupid. Hello, everyone watching. I convinced Panini to make a.
There's no one watching right now.
I will talk
still
to no
sitting.
one. Whoever sees the VOD will see this, bitch.
There's no VOD.
There will be a VOD. What do you mean there's no VOD? I've started mine.
Oh, I didn't know.
You ding
I didn't know
dong.
you started it. I was like, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to chat, who is obviously watching me. You know?
That is a pretty good camera, though.
Yeah. It looks pretty good. And it's peer-to-peer. So it's as fast as it possibly could. It goes to no servers. It literally just goes from device to device.
Yeah.
Which is why when I was sending my camera to myself through it, it looked so fine. And there was no delay. Because it literally just peer-to-peer. But yeah, we're doing a little bit of a homework stream because I'm not done with homework and Panini's not done with homework.
I have to now add in all these sources and shit.
But you can't see me. This is epic. I need to edit the transform. Left needs to be significantly more. Reload this.
Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo.
I don't even know what this looks like, man.
Oh
God.
I should pull up your stream and look at it.
The bajillion arrows.
The bajillion arrows? All bajillion of them?
All over my screen.
Hold on, let me look at them. I need to see them all. Subscriptions. You're not live.
I'm not live. I'm talking to Discord.
Why are you not live?
Because I'm still setting up the stupid thing.
Well, go live!
I'm setting shit up.
I don't care.
Also, you're hell loud. Speak.
Save to watch later. Damn! Some ordinary gamers made 2 videos today. Damn.
Wait, how loud? Oh, I guess I'm a decent volume for mine. Okay, good. Let's see. Now my audio is set up on this because it's on a totally different scene collection. So I don't even have a thumbnail for this.
You blockhead.
Yep. I guess I can technically do my physics homework because that's due tomorrow.
Ooh, yeah. So I'm not the only one doing homework. Oh, these scenes, these look so good now. Having like the wavies to fill dead space. Good shit. Some good shit. Also, fuck Razor. Disrespectfully. God damn it. I have the RGB disabled on my mouse. And somehow, it always magically turns back on. I have it off to save battery. You know what? I'll set it at 5%, so this never happens. So it's subtle enough that I can see it, but it's not seeable, you know. Switch lighting off when idle for 1 minute. Perfect.
There, I started my stream.
You started your stream? Oh my god.
I started my stream.
Time to DDoS your stream.
No.
Noise critical on Velma HBO trailer.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you watched? The 8-minute video by
I didn't watch
UNCZ?
that one.
Oh, wait, did he make an actual video on it?
No, I knew about it because on TikTok for whatever reason it's going around.
Homework stream.
Yep, basic.
All right, did you start your stream?
Yes, I did.
I see no video.
There is a video. Oh, wait.
You didn't hit go live. Ah, I'm glad I checked because I was like, I don't see video.
I don't
Sounds
get
like
why
last
it does
time.
that. That's such a stupid thing.
Because it waits for your. Because it waits for your video.
It used to not do that, so I don't know what the hell update happened that makes it do that now.
Are you streaming with a stream key now?
No.
Oh, interesting.
Still on account, which I need to change.
Yeah, nice homework. Just make sure you don't show your student ID.
It's too late. I've already done that.
It's too late.
Too late to apologize.
It's too late. Oh, I don't have music playing. I should play music.
I don't even have a playlist set up for streaming stuff.
Damn, bad streamer.
See, the thing is, the music I like to listen to and play is all, like copyright.
Yeah.
Right? I have a stream playlist.
Yeah, I have a stream playlist. It's called
It's got nothing.
Stream
Cool.
Beats.
I made it. Oh yeah, you have stream beats.
Yeah, I just play stream beats. And I shuffle in Baby No Money. Because a lot of Baby No Money's music is fine.
I'll just play some of this stuff. Go.
Also, I need to edit it so it's actually, this is like, oh. Game of the day is not Valorant. Game of the day is Halo. Save.
Wow, that's loud.
I know you are, but what am I? But alright guys, I will show you what my program is supposed to do. Hopefully you guys can read it. I'm not fixing my screen. But basically, you tell it how many players are playing. It can support infinite, theoretically. Assuming you have enough memory on your device. You type in the usernames of the people that are playing. You're like, press enter to roll. Blah, 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 blah. You just press enter. It randomly rolls, which is what the assignment is supposed to be.
Wait. H just equals H in this one.
What do you mean H just equals H?
You put the 1 over X in for f of X. So you put it in, so you get whatever. 1 over X plus H, subtract 1 over X over H. The 1 over X cancels out because it's subtracting 1 over X from 1 over X. So you have positive H on top.
That is no.
What do you mean no?
All right. We're doing math lesson again.
Hold on. I'm turning on the music because this shit's blasting my ears.
All right. On my stream, you'll see what I'm doing. But we're doing math. So we've got, if I remember the equation correctly, it is 1 over X is equal to f of X. And
hold on. Oh, okay.
It means f of X plus H is equal to 1 over X plus H, so X plus H. And we're doing slope stuff, so it's all like 1 minus X plus H minus 1 over X all over H.
You're missing the... Wait, hold on, what? Why are you adding X to the bottom of H? Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah.
That's math, brother.
Well, it's such a stupid rule. It's like, oh, you gotta add it. Whenever there's an X, you also gotta add H to it, but whatever.
It's how you find slope.
X.
And so honestly, on this one, it's easier just to multiply out the h first.
Okay, maybe I should start writing my fractions where they're one over the top of each other.
Yeah, because I was checking, because it sounded like you messed that up. And I was like, oopsie poopsie.
Wait, so how does that still not just leave h though?
It just doesn't.
What do you mean it doesn't? If you're talking about canceling out the 1 over x or any of that, it still leaves h at the top.
No. Okay, so the fractions you can't subtract and add the bottoms, the
I know that.
Denominators. So then
Multiplying it out or dividing it out, depending on whatever method is used in the situation.
Which is multiplying the top and the bottom by something?
Yeah.
What are we multiplying the top?
Wait, there's nothing multiply. There's no way that's just the entire solution. I mean, technically I can write that out, but I don't think that's right. I also have the equation back up on my... I think you wrote it out. Something doesn't fit right on that though.
Well, this right here is correct. This is the equation.
Why would you... Hold on, why are you adding the x to the bottom versus just adding h... adding h to the bottom versus adding h to 1 over x? Like not having it as in the denominator area.
Because when you're saying f of x,
yes,
this is your variable. The x is your variable. And anything you put in the f of whatever, that is your functional variable.
Hold on, can you also just screen share this in Discord? Because I'm also trying to follow this shit when...
Oh shit, how am I gonna... Actually, I can just switch to, yeah. My audio will be shit on your stream, but that is fine.
Well, I don't need the audio.
Yeah, but then I won't be able to talk to you. Oh, Mike, wait. Oh, it's a camera. Wait.
Just do an OBS virtual camera.
But my virtual camera doesn't work. Maybe it does. Maybe let's see. Turn on. That is that camera. OBS virtual camera?
Yeah, it was.
Wait, can I screen share?
You should only need to screen share the document. The notes.
Yeah, but the notes are on my iPad. And you cannot read that.
That is very crunchy, my boy.
I know. And I can't just use the camera.
Trouble with, because you're using that currently on your stream, so you can't just screen share that. Yeah, never mind. Because I'm like fighting like 6 seconds of delay of everything you're saying, so I'm like trying to retain what you said, but also like see it be up.
Hold on. No, because then it'll be on my phone. Fuck. How am I gonna...
Technically, you could just use your phone.
Yeah, but then you'll still get phone audio.
I don't care about the audio.
Oh, well then I'll just screen share on my iPad. Because I can screen share from my iPad while it's doing the other stuff. And I can still hear you. But now the stream can't hear you, which is fine. That's not important. Stream doesn't need to hear you. I'm doing math out. I'm a math tutor now, guys. All right, so this is the thing. Here's the shit. So, your f of your anything, whatever the fuck is in here, goes wherever. So like, okay, so that scribble, I'm gonna match it. And then this might help a lot with what it means. Or this is another circumstance of 3 of squared. So because that is f of x equals 1 over x, where this x is, it has to be the same thing there. So then, I guess a better way to think about it is, I am substituting the x for x plus h. I am not just adding h. That is a better way to think about it. Yes, it is substituting in it. It is substituting the x for the x plus h. Yes. Yeah. All that over h. Yes. Not with anything that you should know. There's probably a way to do it that I could muster up, which is like a calculus thing. All right, I'm going back to my programming. I'm also going to switch back to my desktop. Okay.
What the wait, what the fuck?
What?
Okay, so they say subtract in the numerator, find a common denominator. The least common denominator for this, so they're using 15 over x. The least common denominator of 15 over x plus h and 15 over x is x parentheses x plus h into parentheses. Right? Right, the fraction with the least common denominator, okay.
No, that tracks. That makes sense. Because then it'll cancel out the bottoms of both of them and just leave weird stuff on top, which is easier to handle. That makes sense. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so for this one, I have to multiply it by a... We'll subtract in the numerator, find a common denominator. So that would also be 15x. I mean, not 15x, 1x.
Because you multiply both by the x open parenthesis, x plus h, close parenthesis, which is like the top of it. And then each of them will have that part that they are the reason.
One side I multiply by whatever, 1 over x, then the other side I multiply by 1 over h plus x.
I'm sharing my screen again.
So that's what they have kind of shown here, which is...
Yes, but they might be skipping stuff. They might be like skipping steps for some reason. So they have this. They're like, you should. That is because I didn't share my screen yet. My bad. Just don't show it on stream. So you've got your 1 over x plus h minus 1 over x all over x, or h. And they're like, multiply that entire thing by x plus h, right? So yeah, so then you'd get x plus h over x plus h minus, I fucked that up, x plus h over x, all of that over h. I want to put a squiggly line to separate the things. if you multiply by 1, what happens to the 1? It just goes, it gets in a Thanos snap, bro. Not yet. We're not worrying about the, we're making the numerator for both of them something that can simplify on both fractions. Because if you look at them, now both fractions will simplify to something that does not have a denominator, which is what we need to make it easier to do math. So these will now simplify to, so this one, this whole kit and caboodle dies, so now it's just x minus this thing dies, and now it's just x plus h over h. And since the parentheses, you just distribute that negative through, you'd be like x minus all over h. Yes. Which equals -1. You said it was h. You just said it was h. Okay, yes, but still no, because it's -1. You gotta do the whole thing, bud. As much as it sucks, you gotta do it all. Because they probably don't want to show you the answer. Or theirs would simplify down to 15 if that was their number that they had on top. Yes. Yes. No, no, put in -1 and then it'll be right. I guarantee it. What? I'm going back to coding, bro. Fuck that math. I'm out of that math. I'm done with it. Fuck it.
Oh shit, I wrote that wrong.
No one told me, no one heard me. Didn't have regret of me. Feeling so cold, feeling so hot, like a weatherman, I guarantee. Diamonds on me like an amputee. Wait, I can see him. Sorry, G, I was one of them 15 dudes. The girls just hitting the DM. I say finesse in your mom. I'm trying to get rich.
Yeah, okay.
Damn, I really like my cheese. I ain't no rat. I can guarantee that. I can guarantee what? I can guarantee that. Yo, I can guarantee I'm hotter than you. Sipping some soup with your mom. She out to me just like a prom. Loving these milfies, I'm loving these moms. T-shirt on me and I'm richer than you. Thinking I gotta be handy with 2. 5 for half price, break it down. I think I'm gonna call me like 2. Yeah, get some baby, no money. I'm trying to get out of this money. You heard about me. Banking are falling like leaves. Call up my dungeon. Something be freezing my teeth. I'm a hot boy, but I'm freezing. I can guarantee that. No one told me, no one heard me. Did not concur to me. Feeling so cold, feeling so hot, like a weatherman, I guarantee. Diamonds on me like an amputee. Wait, I can see him. Sorry, G, I was one of them 15 dudes. The girls just hitting the DM. I say finesse in your mom. I'm trying to get rich. I can guarantee. Damn, I really like my cheese. I ain't no rat. I can guarantee that. I can guarantee what? I can guarantee that. Yo, diamonds on you blinded. Ouch. Need me lobotomy. 2 negatives equals a positive. Respectively. Bad bitch, super thought, dangerous talk. And she respected me. Paper play and it's stacking up weight. I can guarantee it, G. Mama got me lifting heavy. Thought me mama cop a Chevy. Like, who is her mom? Running from my cool with 30. For my t-shirt, I'll be sexy. I'm a rap to be torn. 97, tech run. Course is unleaded. Please do not play with my gas. Please do not play with my cash. You can guarantee. No one told me, no one heard me. Did not concur to me. Feeling so cold, feeling so hot, like a weatherman, I guarantee. Diamonds on me like an amputee. Wait, I can see him. Sorry, G, I was one of them 15 dudes that girls just hitting the DM. I say finessing your mom, I'm trying to get rich. I can guarantee, damn, I really like my cheese. I ain't no rat. I can guarantee that. I can guarantee what? I can guarantee that. Yo. I can guarantee that you gonna listen to the song a couple times. Ooh, yeah.
I will figure this one out.
You will?
I will.
Nice.
Okay. I'm stuck on finding a common denominator though. For the 1 over x plus h and 1 over x. Because obviously I would have to get h somewhere in the denominator. So would it be just x parentheses x plus h?
Yeah. That's
okay.
But that's what I did on my shit, and it wasn't the right answer, but I might have messed up somewhere.
Oh, do you have my stream pulled up?
I can.
I guess I could. I was gonna say I could also screen share it. Which do you prefer?
I can just look at your stream.
Okay. Because you can see what the current step I'm on. Also, my audio might be hella fucked up because I don't know what my stuff sounds like.
Let me check.
Oh, I guess I'm kind of in the way, camera-wise.
A little.
There. I don't know.
I mean, you could also just switch the side of the Discord and homework.
That is true. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Oh, stop it. There we go.
I like having a delayed seeing what's happening, because I can hear you going, oh no, and then I'm waiting to see you go, oh no.
Yeah.
Also, guys, do you like the meme I sent him?
Yes. I don't know what the... I need to fix the camera ratio, but it's fine. But you can... I'm kind of... Actually, can I point at it? I guess you can kind of see my camera when I'm pointing at. But
yeah, because now it's on the correct side to point at it.
Yeah. To subtract the numerator from the common denominator, what is the least common denominator of 1 over x plus h and 1 over x? So you have to somehow get h into the denominator.
Yeah, and so, yeah, common denominator, you can just do x, open parenthesis, x plus h, close parenthesis.
Okay, so I'll just write that in there. So x parentheses x plus h parentheses. Yes, okay. So that's the least common denominator.
Good job!
Yeah.
And then it's doing math.
Yeah, you know how many times I've seen that today?
Too many.
Yeah. Write the fraction with the least common denominator. So I have to get, yeah, I get it on that side. So I get 1 over x plus h, then subtract from 1 over x plus h. I mean, 1 multiplied by x plus h over x plus h. Or x. God damn, dude. Fucking keeping track of variables is so annoying.
Yeah. Tell me about it, bro.
All over h.
You're having keeping track of variables? Bro. Programming.
Okay. Top portion. That goes Wait, they mushed it together because it's a common denominator. Yeah. I was like, what the fuck did they do? So.
Oh, that's what they did.
Oh, it's because you had to get X on the top as well.
Oh my god.
So 1 over X plus H over X multiplied by X plus H, which you get 1X,
That's why I didn't.
1X, subtract H over X multiplied by H plus X. So you get just negative H on the top. Wait, what?
Check your multiplication.
Negative H, right? Because you get 1X, multiply, and then you multiply the negative 1 into parentheses, so you get negative 1X, which cancels out the 1X, and you get negative H, right?
Yeah?
How is that not right?
Put in normal H and see what happens.
Correct answer. What? You said to solve subtract. You lie. Okay, so I skipped over the step they wanted me to do. So now it's negative H. Shut the fuck up. God damn it. Okay.
You're too smart, bro. You're too smart.
I skipped the one step they wanted me to do. Multiply by the reciprocal, then divide out identical factors of H in the numerator and denominator.
Multiply by the reciprocal. What reciprocal?
Where the fuck did this come from?
That's your bottom H.
Why is there? This H down here.
Yeah, the very bottom one.
Okay, so this is all over H again. So multiply by 1H. Wouldn't the reciprocal just be H over 1? Then that would just converse into H, or whatever, transform into H. What's the reciprocal?
Yeah. What are you reciprocating?
I guess it's the H on the bottom that gets reciprocated.
Oh, it does technically. It does technically.
Because it would be H over 1. Now it's 1 over H.
Yeah.
So you cross multiply that, so you would get whatever, negative 1H squared on the top.
Oh god, no. They already did it for you.
Wait, what? Okay, so simplified version would just be negative 1H over X multiplied by X plus whatever, the parentheses.
So it's just 1 over X open parenthesis X plus H, yeah. Why? No, simplify the H's out.
Oh, to X squared. Or
what?
simplify
No.
the H's out. Oh,
because the one on the right, on the line above, you have the one on the right, and then you have the one on the top.
One on the right and one on the top. So you have this one and this one.
Yes, and those cancel out.
Yeah. Wait,
They
this
didn't...
cancels out to this?
Yeah.
What? How? How does this cancel at the top only?
Because it's like you could simplify out the H from the top, right? So you could get... The top can be divided by H, right?
Yes, but it's being multiplied right now by the reciprocal.
Yes. So the top can be divided by H. And because you have that reciprocal, the bottom can be divided by H as well. Right?
Okay, so that is now... Okay, so now it's whatever, -1h on the top. So we're getting rid of -1h, so there's nothing on the top now.
Well, it's gonna be a -1, but basically, because the h's cancel out.
Okay. So it's -1 on the top and x multiplied by x on the bottom, which would just be x squared. Or does the h stay there as well?
Delete that top h and put a 1 on your answer.
Yeah. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. That's a lot of steps, man. That's a lot of steps.
It's just algebra.
It's just ungodly amounts of stupid, unnecessary crap.
Yep, that sounds like math. Because then when you're done, all the mental math you do, you already know how to do. And any mental math that's not mental math, you're gonna be doing on a calculator. So.
Okay. So we're doing this, then f of x plus h equals 5 over h plus x. Or I mean h plus x plus h, which then turns into 5 over h plus x plus h subtract 5 over x over h. The least common denominator between those is x multiplied by x plus h, which equals LCD, which then you turn into multiplying the least... Oh, fucking Christ, dude. Which gets you 5x over x multiplied x plus h. That subtract from 5 multiplied by h plus x over x plus 8, x multiplied by x plus h over h. Fuck Christ.
Dude, you're having an aneurysm over there. Jesus Christ.
Dude, the gears are turning in my head. I'm trying to remember this shit from high school.
Are they smoking too?
Yeah, dude, I'm smoking out my eardrums right now. So that turns into...
I'm getting fucking Doritos. Bro.
5
These shit
x subtract 5 multiplied by x plus h over x multiplied by h plus x plus h. Then you multiply out, so you get 5x subtract 5x subtract h over x multiplied by x plus h over h, which then turns into -1h, or just h, over x multiplied by h plus x plus h. Fuck. Then you multiply it by the reciprocal of the h on the bottom, which is 1 over h, which then cancels out the top and leaves you with -1 over x plus h, or whatever. X multiplied by x plus h, or what?
Dude, I am having an aneurysm listening to you say all of that. Oh my god.
It's going in my head, but it's not coming out right. Like, I'm saying the right thing in my head, but when I try to order it out, it's not working.
Holy shit.
So if my calculations are right...
If my calculations are correct, I should have 17.62.
This should be the answer, right?
Sure,
no,
go for it.
Not. What did I get wrong on this?
I don't know.
Hold on. What's the end step I'm missing?
Okay, so you know how they had their 15, right? And their 15 carried through to the very end?
Mm-hmm.
And you know how our 1 carried through to the very end? I want you to look at what the number is that should carry through to the very end on this one.
5.
Yes.
So it's -5 on top.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Because your 5 somehow didn't make it through all your arithmetic. And it should have.
Where did I duck it out at? Oh, because I know where I did it. It's when I multiplied it into parentheses, I didn't multiply the positive h by -5. That's where I missed it. It's right here.
Glad I could help.
So it's this h, then this 5. Okay. Which then turns into this. Oh god, that's not fun. Oh my god, not the square root, man. I'm about to flip a table.
You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you.
So,
You
that's
got
back.
this.
Hold on, I need the other side of the sheet now.
I need you to mute yourself in Discord so I can focus on my programming.
No.
Please. I'm also gonna mute myself because I don't want to distract them. Oh, I didn't finish my laundry.
On the lip, boy, never change, medicate some with the stick folk, featherweight, hollow weight max. What the hits, boy, never fake, better take big to this spliff that's every day. Levitate, know who I is, bitch, step away, relegate, still on the pimp shit. Get the plate, never stay real since the bib. Don't need a chase, it is straight slump for a bit, but he not erased by the
Okay, this one needs to be the current frame plus 1 though. And this one also needs to be the current frame plus 2 though. So that. Okay, so if I just scored 10 and we're in the last frame, are the next ones done? Is basically what I'm saying. Ooh, I could have some really big issues at the very end. Because I need to make sure I don't accidentally index outside of my fucking shit, you know, my array. Because I'm doing lots of array shit. This is like chaotic. Oh, I'm on my fucking iPad with the mouse. I'm gonna turn on my virtual camera, I don't need it. Man's going ham on the math. I applaud him though. Doing great. Okay, this one also can't be like that, because if I index too far, I'm gonna die. So I need to do that. And then index 1. Multiply by 2, but then plus 1. Oh shit, that's an I. Oh god, why? That's an I. Why? No, no, no. I, and then plus 2. Oh. What the fuck is he looking at? The fuck is that shit? Oh, he's showing the math that he would need to do it for, but I guess. That doesn't look like math homework.
This is math homework. What do you mean?
What the fuck is that? Why is there cars?
This is part of the book.
Oh my
trying to
god.
figure out the stupid square root bullshit. Because currently, it's f of x equals the square root of 7x. That's what is getting implemented. So that then, in my brain, is implementing f of x plus h equals the square root of 7x plus h.
And the x and h are both inside the square root.
Yes, they're underneath the top of the square root, wherever you want to call the part.
That thing.
Yeah.
The radical symbol.
Yeah. So then, when you put that into the equation, you get the square root of 7x plus h, subtract the square root of 7x all over h.
Mm-hmm.
My brain now wants to get rid of the square roots. But I don't feel like that's right. And they show nowhere in this book how to do the square root version of this.
I think I know how you could.
Well, my brain wants to get rid of the square root. But
No, there's a way.
Top.
No, do not square the top. Multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of x plus h times the square root of x. It has the same purpose as doing the what we did in the last one where we had the common denominator, but this time it's common multiply things.
So it's this x plus h. Wait, say it again. X plus h. Like the square root of x plus h. Like x
Times
plus h in parentheses.
square root of x, yeah.
So parentheses x plus h. Square that. But also, so it's x, open parentheses, x plus h, close parentheses, square root.
Yeah, that's all under a square root thing. And then multiply that entire chunk by the square root of x. I believe that will help a little bit.
Write it out on the iPad. I think I have something written differently.
I'll text it. I'll
Type in Discord.
Squirt.
You can just do caret or whatever.
Oh shit, I can. Wait, do a caret? Like
The
power of a
caret?
half?
Yeah, the shift 6.
I'll just do squirt, because square root, like this is Desmos formatting.
Mm-hmm. It's also how you type it into like Excel to get square roots of shit.
Yeah. That. That. Multiply the top and the bottom by that. I believe that will help. If I remember my math strategies correctly.
Wait, you're saying square root? Not square.
Correct, square root. That's what that is, squared. Square root. Math.
So that cancels out the... Not cancels out. I'm fucking about to hit system overload.
No, don't do it.
So you multiply one side. But would this do it where it's underneath again? So it would be whatever 7 or square root of 7x over the square root of x plus h. Then the other one would be square root of 7x plus h over the square root of x. Or am I just shitting the bed right now?
I don't know. Let me actually do the math that I told you to do to see if it actually does anything.
Yeah, I was gonna say I am shitting my head right now.
You are shitting in your head right now. Also, you can see it on my stream if you pull it up. Okay, that.
That's my stream.
So it'll be x plus h square root of x plus x square root of x plus h. Or no, that's a negative. I messed that up a little, but that. Okay, I don't think it helps.
I don't think that helps any further. Yeah. Because you saw the original problem, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and I have your stream up.
Let me go in real quick. She want my seed, got the fertilizer. What the fuck you mean? I need some bread for the appetizer. Diamonds looking clean. I took the lead, quite the exerciser. Running up my fees, I never read. Just an analyzer. I'm a special breed. I'm an amethyst.
What did I get wrong on 32?
Like a catalyst. You silly thought his booty is a little bit inadequate. I keep my 20 points. I do not think I need no management. I'm better than like half these rappers, and I'm still a graduate.
Yeah, do that one. Do an easy one.
Easy, if you remember, and you're not.
No, you remember, bro.
Rusty. You know, this kind of makes me regret, like testing out a pre-algebra because, like cockiness, like, oh, I don't need to take this class. Then, like totally skipping the mental refresher of pre-algebra just to go right into college algebra. Probably a really dumbass idea.
Yeah, I've been lucky enough that I've had math every term, so I wasn't completely screwed. Yeah. And I also had people who knew what they were doing. I'd be like, hey, how do you do this? And they're like, you do like this. And they're like, cool. Thank you for the refresher. I think I'll be okay.
You're my person for that. You're my refresher.
Yeah, except that's old stuff. Calculus? I got you. Deriving and integrating? I got you. Algebra? No, thank you. I will pass on that.
I'm taking the cripple. I'm taking the crutch. Okay, so I am thinking this correctly. So I was thinking it correctly. It would be x plus h in the square root. Okay. Then you would also do it for the 9, so it would be negative 9x plus h. Then you do plus 6 outside of it. Okay.
Iced out, drip, drop, scrape, pop, knee, pop, Ross, K, boss, got a floss, hit, boss, ayy. What you gon' do, little bitch? What you gon' do, little bitch? Iced out, drip, drop, scrape, pop, knee, pop, Ross, K, boss, got a floss, hit, boss, ayy. What you gon' do, little bitch? What you gon' do, little bitch?
I'm a chief though, watching all these niggas trying to catch up as I chief though. Shawty love the records, can't impress us unless she deep throat. Gotta bring some lessons for the fellas, this a freak show. Ain't a thing to tell us, used to sell us on the cheap though. Now they lining pockets cause they noggin full of heat quotes. I ain't made for college and them dollars really speak, so motherfuck some knowledge, put some mileage on a Jeep go. I done break the silence till we pilot, then I reload. Caden to the villa filled with women and some weed smoke. Poppy gon' deliver, it's a given when the beat blow. Niggas only kill us through the Twitter, how you G's though? Niggas think they really dropping filler, how you eat bro? Try a little revival of your idols, it was weak folk. Every time you try you get denied, you better reload. Having thoughts of riding slide through my side, you better creep slow and check the G code.
Iced out, drip, drop, scrape, pop, knee, pop, pop, Ross, K, boss, got a floss, sip, boss, ayy. What you gon' do, little bitch? What you gon' do, little bitch? Iced out, drip, drop, scrape, pop, knee, pop, pop, Ross, K, boss, got a floss, sip, boss, ayy. What you gon' do, little bitch? What you gon' do, little bitch? I'ma tell you straight up what I'm gon' do. Think I got the pool, think it's kinda obvious. I'm gonna take a shit on you. You got baby whites, check my Gucci stripes. TB flossing, so I got some golden birdie whites. People say this baby is the season, I'm arugula. Half Danish sissy, but my flow is so wonderful. Your lady friend like came on over, wonder where my trousers are. My Tommy drawers, my Sachi drawers. I'm putting on some Gucci drawers. I lost them last week, and your bitch be nasty. Money blue be mixed.
All right. If I'm thinking correctly in my brain, this statement right here, this line, we got this line, happens when I'm in the 8th frame and I roll a strike, which means I will add up, and I'm checking that. And I'm checking those have values. Oh, I need to check, because I technically add up 4 rolls total. So I need to check all 4 of them, because I need to check the next one too, because I can't add it up unless I know. Because that one can end up being 30.
I'm halfway there. I can't remember the rest of this. I've gotten here. I'm here. I forgot to take my square root down.
Everybody in the room wants some. Yeah, I'm one off one. Hey, holy shit, I really think I'm off one.
Okay. Then I need to get the last frame. Because on this thing, bless me, add another game. Boom, boom. Oop. Okay, so I'm here. I do that. That works fine. I know my program already handles that. But now, my 8th frame is frame 9, because I start from 0, index from 0, you know? So now, I can't do the 9th frame, my frame 8, until I get the next value. Because I add up the next 3 rolls.
Let's fucking go. I got it. I did have a little crutch halfway through, but I got a decent amount of the way on myself. Okay, what did I get wrong with this one? Oh, this one was stupid because you couldn't read the graph right. Everybody in the room wants some. Yeah, I'm one off one. Hey, holy shit, I really think I'm off one. Did I seriously get everything right on this one except for the last one?
How the fuck does bowling work? So 10 plus the next frame. Oh, is it 10 plus the next 2 rolls? Oh god, no, I can't be having an issue like this right now. That is not how I thought this was. It's 10 plus the next 2 rolls. It's 10 plus the next 2 rolls.
Paper when I'm doing math.
Holy shit. I'm telling you, bro, iPad. It's clutch. Because then you can save all of your notes. Like all the work you do, save it. And you can look at it on your phone. Oh no, it's the next 2 rolls, not the next 2 frames. Piss. That's a small change. It's not a small change. I can do it. Then what the fuck is a spare? Is a spare just the next? I don't know the game. Is a spare just? All right, so I get a spare. Is it just the next frame? Plus 10. So next roll plus 10. Okay, so it's just next roll plus the frame, plus 10. Okay. So if my score was 10, which means I got a spare, and I need to check the next frame has a roll, because I'm going to take that and add 10 to it, which means then I do that, and it's going to be plus scores, which is fine, and it's going to be, so instead of this it's going to be 10. Okay, instead of this it's going to be 10. Okay. So this one doesn't exist. This is not something I grab. I don't grab the next frame's second roll. I grab the next roll. Oh. Oh, but if I keep getting strikes, that makes it an issue. If they're not 0, I'll add another case.
Function graphs have 2 lines, right?
Piecewise just means it is multiple equations, but you're not using all of each equation. You can have as many pieces in a piecewise as you want. It's just saying.
I'm talking about when you graph.
No, it could be any amount. But they just tell you the range that you'd only graph for that equation.
0 is less than, I mean, whatever, x is greater than 0, or whatever, less than or equal to 0. Fuck, I'm saying this wrong.
Yeah, you are.
X is greater or equal to 0.
Yeah.
Or
basically
less than or equal to 350.
Well, x is, yes. Quicker way to read it. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 350 is x is between and can be 0 and 350. That makes it very obvious which graph it is.
The only one that touches 0, 0?
Oh my god, no.
What?
No!
X is, okay, x can be 0, not y.
Yes.
D.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay.
I was gonna throw up. I was like,
There, I passed it.
You said that and I'm like, you missed the point. I love your enthusiasm, but you missed the point. The exact point was the entire first chunk of the graph is going to be just a line, a horizontal line, because you're saying it's just a value. Oh.
Just love adding a little tension.
Oh, you sure you do? Like, I ain't got enough making my goddamn program, because I just realized a strike adds up the next 2 rolls, not the next 2 frames. And a spare is the next roll, which doesn't break my program at all. But that's not what I thought it was. And so I have to like redo shit and add stuff. And my program, this one function already is about to be too long. It's already too long. But that's fine.
She broke it to pieces, she said I'm married.
I'm deleting everything above this. Later. And I do this all for you. Yeah, and this is just 10. She can't help herself at all. No, 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 no. Can't give you what you want. My bad, I messed this up. When I bowl, am I actually setting that to 0? My bad, I messed this up. How am I handling? Am I just skipping? What am I doing? If I didn't bowl a strike, or if I didn't bowl a strike, I do that. But if I did bowl a strike, then I just set it to 0. Okay, I'm setting it to 0. Coolio. Goodness. Okay. Which means this one I can do shorthand conditional. Okay, so if it's 1, then I just use this. If it's anything other than 0, I use it. Copy, paste. If it is not, which means I did roll with a strike. I mean, not necessarily roll a strike. If that. Actually, I need to test if that other one, the one in front of it, is 10. Which, yes, that makes more sense. Because then if the one in the next frame was a strike, I will still grab that 10. But if it was a strike, I will skip its next roll and grab that roll. The one in front of it. Oh my god, he's reading shit now. Let's go. Okay. And then if not, then I grab the next one. You know? Maybe a better way to make this more applicable, or like make it easier to carry on, would be, because this only has a calculated score, because I am smart in my other functions. So maybe I just do, instead of saying next frame, go ahead 2 rolls instead. because equivocally the same thing. It grabs the same number. It will get me the same number. So instead, I do that. I get my current frame, add 2 rolls. Puts me in the next frame. And I'm effectively doing the same thing here. And if I just grabbed a 10, which means it's a strike, then I grab so this would be +3. It's 3. Because then I would skip. I would grab the one that many rolls ahead. Or I grab one even further ahead. +10 plus the previous score. And I should change the way this one's logicked as well for ease. And this one needs to be switched also. Because if I roll a strike, I need to check because this won't always work. Because I need to check that far ahead. So I'm grabbing two. So that one needs to be filled, or the third one ahead. Or the third or the fourth one needs to be filled ahead. Okay. I have a 4 in both of them. Why did I do that? Third. Yes, this makes sense. Because I either need...
Okay, I'm stupid. I need help with this one.
Cool. Why do you have to input the values? That's so dumb. If X is not 1... If X is 1. Okay, 1... And one piece of my graph is a single point. What does that mean?
Like it's... I think it starts at a single point.
Oh, I know what it's... Okay, okay. So... you've looked at like line graphs with a hole in them, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what this is. This has a hole in it?
Yeah, I know it's this, like, it starts at 6 or it starts at 7. Like, in between 6 and 7, there's a space.
No. No. You're focusing on the wrong thing in the wrong axis. You're doing the wrong axis things. Okay, so if X is not equal to 1, so if X is 0, X is 2, X is 3,
yeah,
all the things between. then y equals 6. So you basically have a y equals 6 line. You
Okay.
follow?
Yeah, so just flat line.
Yes, flat line, dead. Except when x is 1. Then you have a hole there, because on the previous one it was, well, if x is not equal 1.
So one's a flat line, one's a slope.
No, not quite. But you have a flat line with a hole in it, because it's the first one is every space except for when it's 1. And then now on the second equation, it's saying when x is 1, it's 7 for y.
Okay.
So you have the line of 6, y equals 6, with a hole at x equals 1.
Okay.
Yeah. And then that hole is equal to 7. So you just have a dot above the line, basically, for x equals 1, which is 7.
Okay.
So this.
Hold on. Let me MS Paint. Hold on. Dude,
Yeah,
how do you
MS Paint
clear
this shit.
something? How do you clear shit in MS Paint? How do you,
I got no clue. I got no clue, bro.
You're just like, okay, whatever. So this is the 6. You got a space. I know I don't have any lines or any numbers or anything, but you have the space there.
Yeah.
This is what 7 is.
Yeah, put a hole there. Put a hole there right now. Put a hole there. A circle.
There's a hole there.
Put a circle. You need I want you to notate it properly so you know, just to make sure you're like in.
It's open, fill.
No.
No fill?
There is no gap between those holes you put at the bottom. Because that is a singular point. That is not a range. It is a singular point that is not on that line. So you would notate it differently. It's a like that bottom line is a full line, solid.
Like that.
Yes.
So the
connect.
brackets. Not parentheses, brackets. Like if you were to put it in whatever that stupid form is called. Like when you're doing a number line kind of thing.
No, these would be parentheses. But no, we'll go back to the whole thing. Go back to the whole thing.
You can't go back to the whole thing. Whole.
Yeah. Delete those 2 lines. One whole line. Just go. Don't put a gap.
Nice and straight.
Yes, that's a little bit of slope, but yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now put your hole in there. Just make a circle. Just a circle. Because that is all that
Oh,
notates.
Jesus fucking Christ.
That is all that notates. That there is a gap at exactly that spot where there is no value.
Okay.
And above that, you would put a filled dot. Because that is the x equals 1, where it is 7 instead of 6.
Okay, so this is when x equals 1.
Yes.
Okay. So the ordered pair would be whatever, it would be the parentheses 1 and 7? Because that would be the coordinate of it, or no? Because I'm assuming they're asking for a coordinate pair, or a coordinate pair when they're asking for an ordered pair.
That sounds about right.
I don't think A is the right one because it's asking for a single point for both of them. But there's only one that has a single point.
What is the last one? The last question. I can't see it because I have my fucking Discord on it, and I thought it was your Discord.
The statement makes sense. The first piece of the function represents the graph of a horizontal line at f of x equals blank, with a hole at blank. The second piece of the function represents the graph at a single point with coordinates blank. Therefore, one piece of the graph is a single point. So yes, it is that one.
Yo, that sounds like exactly what I just had you draw.
So when at the hole of 1, when x equals 1, but the f of x would just be 6. Wait, how would you do it where it doesn't include the 1?
A 6, because that's the whole point of that second part where it says a hole at x equals 1.
Okay.
Because that is essentially what that first equation is, where it's 6 if x is not equal to 1.
With coordinates of 1 or parentheses 1, 7. I need to fix the other parentheses. That. Check answer. Let's
Yes.
fucking go.
Math.
I still
Let's
don't
fucking
know.
go.
Okay, I still don't know the 7 square root bullshit.
That sounds like a Googleable.
No, it sounds like I just skip it because I have 94% on the assignment.
That's a good point, actually. You make a good point.
Then this is the only other one I got wrong.
You should do it. Since I'm not done with my program. Oh, what about the other one you got wrong? There was another one at the top you got wrong.
Oh yeah, this one where you can't read the graph. Or at least when I was doing it, I was hella. Oh, I'm still hella tired, but
I believe in you.
I know A is the answer, but I don't. Oh, I guess it could do help me solve.
Couple more cities that I think I shut down on a world tour. Yeah, really seen all of it. 30K merch in a month, and my money come in lumps, and I might spaz try and sell bip. Wrist so cold, ooh, think I need miss. Whole wardrobe be filled with free fits. I'ma pull up on your girl, but she trying to spend my shit, so I ditch her hella quick. Oh boy, I feel slit. I work, I grind, I make that bag. I search, I find, I take that bag. I'm a babe. Got huggies in my face, yeah, I'm not grown up, but my cradle got drip. Why your bitch? Wanna give me a couple licks, yeah, wanna flex up, put a diamond on my wrist. No records, only hits, that's some big facts. She a misfit, come and get your bitch back. I won't ever sign shit, shut a contract. Always adding digits, yeah, never have to subtract. Check up on the growth rate, lady need a hydrate, so she wanna dictate. 4-point bike rate, money made me fixate, bitch, I ain't a lightweight. Peso the queso, getting rich, yeah, if you say so. Bitch, I like my bread, I buy my philo, like I'm Play-Doh. I work, I grind, I make that bag. I search, I find, I take that bag.
Time to test this. Well, it compiled and it runs it. Let's see. 2 players. This guy and this guy. Enter, enter. Okay. That added properly. That's supposed to be what it is. 50, 45, blah, 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 blah. Keeps going. I don't get any indexing errors because I can't. That's how it's supposed to work. Cash in, cash out, consider it dough. Actually, I need to test. Make sure it's actually what it's supposed to be. Add another game. Delete. Okay. Add another game. 5, 5, 5. 15. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah! It's doing the thing! Okay. If I'm in the 8th frame, this will still work for the 8th frame actually. So I don't need to distinguish between being in the 8th frame or not. Make sure that you don't break me. All right. Now I need to adjust this for if we're in the last frame. That you don't break me. The fun part is making sure I don't over-index. I have realized making my entire thing iterate forward instead of backwards could have been an issue. And I could have fixed that. Or it's going to probably be an issue. Okay. Yeah. What if I can just delete this and then that like fixes it? Because I can index one ahead and two ahead. One and two. Because those are guaranteed to be my next rolls. Like 100% guaranteed. One.
Blizzard on my wrist, nah. Bentley as a whip, nah. Spend it on the pitch, nah. Think I'll ever quit, nah.
Oh, it's because I haven't flipped.
Made 6 tracks, 6 hits. Nina never sits, so watch me take a massive shit. I have to bust down on her till I'm really careful. Don't want to get, I'm already really quite a kid. I need a drip, I got a dip, bitch. I use a pencil to sit your ass down. Speaking like a clown when you come around my playground. I need some Timmy Tans, bars covered in chocolate. I won't chew up the Zans, her mind straight
So
up.
I am in the last frame.
Talk to the world. Hello, I got a single question for you. Where is your girl? She with me off the Whitney, Houston. Hella fans of Houston, boss are dangerous.
Oh, I was just doing maximum. Crap. Okay, that's on me.
I got some cheese. Lie, pacifier, speaking Japanese. Wait, why she on her knees? Send a please, wearing double C's. Foot school with
And now I have to do basically it's the exact same thing, but for the next frame. Basically, if the next second frame is a second roll of the frame is a strike, it can only add the third one. So I only have to check if the last one is added.
Proposal, you know that I'm global. I need my money off focal. I want to sleep on some more couples. I said, I'm really not that social. Your lady thought it was noble, so I took her to my opals. Then she really hit them yodels. My name is Baby No Money. I'm slightly anecdotal. Hold the photos, check my vocals, slightly nodal. Check the tone. Give my prophet up my rocket. Pray to yourself, I don't cock it. Audience community, baby, please can you come home to cock it? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you hearing what she's asking me? I'm feeling like a flower. Girlies use me like a bumblebee.
This needs to be.
Protein in that broccoli. I'm always mumbling shit, but I stay making hits and audibly. I'm not even gonna finish the rest of this fucking verse. Hey, baby, Blizzard on my wrist, nah. Bentley as a whip, nah. Spend it on a bitch, nah. Think I'll ever quit, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Made 6 tracks, 6 hits. Nina never sits, so watch me take a massive shit. I have to bust out on her till I'm really careful. Don't want get, I'm already really quite a kid. I need a drip, I gotta dip, bitch.
I should manually do this and then fix it later, because I can do that later. Because I'll find like things that are in common that I can simplify. This one. Two. I can only iterate 1 and 2 ahead if I'm on the first one. Yeah, but if all of them, I basically just checked this, so I don't need to check this again. Like, in essence, I checked it. I have ensured that this...
So I've done all of them except for the freaking stupid square root 7x.
I am struggling because I didn't know that a strike was your next 2 rolls and that a spare was your next 1 roll, not next 2 frames and 1 frame respectively. So I'm rewriting a chunk of my stuff, but I'm almost done. I'm close.
It's okay. It's only, is it due by 11:59?
Oh, you bet your ass it is.
You got a good chunk of time.
I got time. Are you gonna keep doing your math, or are you gonna give up?
Well, I'm probably just gonna give out under one problem because I have a 97.15 or 1.
Oh yeah, you have physics homework.
Yeah. Which I... It's been a while since I've taken physics, man.
Is it physics with or without calculus?
Without. It's algebra physics.
Oh no.
That's the hardest part right now for me, is I have to force myself to remember all of algebra because of 2 classes.
Bro. First of all,
it's hell.
Physics without calculus is ass. Because everything is so much easier with calculus. Because it's like, oh my god, the slope, derive it. Oh my god, other things, integrate it or derive it again. But no, you gotta do algebra shit onto it.
Yeah, it's not fun. I will say it is not fun.
I mean, it's equally not fun, but less complex to do it with calculus. Like, it makes more sense.
With calculus, you're like, there's a bunch of workarounds for this. I don't have to do all the integrated, like, in-depth shit.
Yeah.
Could I probably just do the class with calculus and get over it?
Yeah.
Probably. Until I have to show my work on things.
Yeah, then you're screwed.
But the also funny thing is, I don't remember much calculus.
Oh.
That's the shitty thing. Because the main way I learned calculus was through you in high school.
Yeah.
Whenever you would bring it, like, we'd talk about your homework, either during a call or we'd do it during robotics or something, yeah.
And I'd be like, oh, look at this shit. Or like for physics.
Yeah. Like, I learned it mainly through you. I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty cool, but I didn't want, like, full go in depth of it. I was like, ah, shit.
Yeah.
So...
Okay. I'm so close to greatness. Ba, ba, bum, bum, ba, 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 ba. How is the last frame handled? Like, if I put weird things in, I'm gonna refresh the page, fuck it. But what happens when I put different things in at the end? I'm just gonna do zeros. I'm gonna like be a really bad bowler and just get zeros. And here I get 0 still. If I get a 10, 10, 10, I get 30. I wish I could undo. Can I undo? Is that a thing? That's not a thing. Oh, I have to redo all the zeros. Come on, bowling genius, come on. Also, my stream hasn't had any issues. Guess what?
What?
I put a fan in front of our internet router to make sure it wouldn't overheat, because I assume that's why our internet will just have issues.
Yeah.
So I haven't had issues yet. Granted, it's not time for me to have issues. I usually have issues at like 10:30. But still, if it works tonight, bro, I will be leaving that fan there for the rest of the time I live here.
Or you just get a new router.
No, it's the Comcast one. We have to use it. And if we get another Comcast one, it's gonna do the same thing. It's probably because I'm shoving so much data through it for so long, it just overheats. And having a fan on front of it. Okay, so you haven't seen it, but like the bottom has no airflow. It is those tiny rubber feet and like a strip that goes around there. It's like a hex pattern that air will kind of pass through. There is no airflow on it. So I'm not surprised it's always hot. And the little internet splitter we have shouldn't be getting hot either. I mean, it's just a network switch.
Bro, I'm turning rusty gears from high school brain. High school me could have been like, oh yeah, this is like simple shit. Now I'm like, I feel like totally like Neanderthal.
You fell off. L plus ratio.
Yeah, I did fall off in my freaking mathematical skills and just normal basic calculations. Apparently, I just can't do that shit anymore. Like this should be super easy. Average acceleration and final velocity is what I'm calculating. A car starts from stop and travels 450 meters in 28 seconds. What is the car's average velocity? What is the car's final velocity? I mean, average acceleration. What's the car's final velocity? Obviously, I have to figure out whatever acceleration to get velocity, or figure out, I mean, velocity to get acceleration. Leave you covered up and couple nerves. What you say? Might just go and copper, go your purse for my sake. Please don't tell me you gon' pipe it first, not okay. Money at the end, I'm coming first, on delay. Dripping like a.
Oh my god, the last frame is just added up.
Oh wait, no, that's, I don't care about distance though.
Give myself. Bro, the last frame and you just added up. That would have been so helpful to know. It's simple. It's just added up. That's it. At least that's what it looks like. Oh. It's literally just. I am mad. I actually just don't need any of this.
Velocity multiplied by delta time equals acceleration.
Leave that. Delete that. Because if it's the last one, I've already bowled everything. I'm just calculating at this point, which means it's just that. I'm gonna copy this because I need to copy it. Copy. Paste it there, but I need to change this to a 1. Because it's
I
the
literally don't remember how to do this shit.
first roll, second roll, third roll, and then the last. Previous score. This should be it. Oh, in my print function, do I pass through the names? Oh, I should pass through the names, actually. I should print out the names. That would be really cool. Make sure this works first. Can't get ahead of myself. I can, but I shouldn't. Save. Compile. Run. How many players? 2. This name, that name. All right, we're gonna roll. 150. Is that what I get? Delete. No, delete. Delete, please. Out of the game. All right, we go all the way. Going crazy, going bananas, going bonkers. 150. All right, another. Oh, do I? I need to put my other test scenario in. Because I have my testing.
Oh wait, when did I have to turn in the shit? When did I have to turn that in?
Compile. Run. How many players? 2. This guy and this guy. Burn. Oh. Oh. Why is it not adding right? Alright, what the fuck? 30. Maybe I'm adding the wrong one. All right. Okay, so if it's 10. Let me slip and slide. Fuck the pros and cons. I'm an apple pie. You should check it, man. 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 Why am I doing this? Why am I doing it like that? Why don't I just do? Because I have different math for the last frame. So this will always work. If the one 3 ahead has any value on it, then I use it. If it does not, I do not use it. Oh, because then if you roll a 0. Wait, that's impossible. It is possible. No, it's, yeah, I see why I had that there actually. What I did was smart, kind of, except I had it wrong. It needs to be like that. Because if I did not roll a strike, I need to grab if I did not roll a strike, I grabbed the next one. If I did roll a strike, I'll grab the one after that. Okay. Bro, fucking programming. How many players are playing? 2. Them. Roll, baby. How the fuck did I get it? -1. That's an even more confusing error. What? Huh? Oh, whatever, I'll roll the rest of them.
Show me what the program do.
You're watching me. Hold on. Okay, I can unmute, but right now it's not adding properly.
Adding what part of it? The strikes, the.
Okay, so the strikes and spares, like representing those, looks fine. But printing out the scores for each frame is not. It's not mathing properly. I don't know what the fuck I messed up, but it's something.
Like it's doing too much, too little, what?
Too little.
Like it's leaving out scores?
No.
Or leaving out points or whatever?
It has a -1 added to it, and it also didn't add one of the 10s. I don't know why. I think I just messed up, which is totally believable. I guess I will go through it, but it'll be delayed for you. So good luck. Actually, I can mute myself. Turn on my audio. I'll pause my. Do you have music playing?
I mean, yeah, but I can pause it.
Okay, if you pause your music, I'll mute myself and you can just hear me through stream and then talk to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Because then my explanations will line up for him. Okay, but where is the error? It's somewhere in here is my issue. Somewhere in here, I messed up. So basically, I'm saying, for this if statement, I'm saying if I have bold the next frame at all, which means then I can add stuff to my strike math. And I have either, because that's what that OR does, I have either rolled the one after that first roll. So after I've done my strike, this would be my first roll after my strike, or the second roll after my strike, or assuming I rolled this as a strike, I would then skip this roll and then ask if this roll has been done yet. So either I have rolled a strike and something that's not a strike, or I've rolled a strike, skipping this, and a strike. And I'm basically saying, have these values been filled in yet in my array where I'm storing all my values? And if they have been filled, then I add values to my scores array, which is where I just hold the scores, which are the stuff down here at the bottom that you see. But like below the X's, those values. That's what's stored in points, or scores. Scores is the stuff below the X's. And I'm saying, okay, this one has value to it. It's getting added. And then I'm adding complicated math. Basically, if this was a strike, then okay, if this was not a strike, then I do this one, I add this one. If this was a strike, and then I do this one, and then I add 10 and add the previous like frames score, which is how it tallies up basically.
So you're having a problem with adding the 10 in. You can unmute.
No, it is not the 10 I'm having issues with. And I think I just figured out what I was messing up. But so this statement right here, this second one, you'll see me highlight it on screen in a second. That one checks if so if I roll a strike, it checks if this next one has a value in it at all, which like not the default, I haven't rolled a value. And you know what I do? I set that value to 0 if I roll a strike to make like the mathing proper. So because
you don't get anything for a strike.
Yes. Yeah. Well, you get for a strike, you get the 10, and then the second roll of that frame is just a 0.
Mm-hmm.
And if that's a 0, and then yeah, because if that one's a 0, then that means I get into this next line, which I shouldn't.
So what's the I referencing right now?
The I is my frame, but
Okay.
start indexing at 0. So frame 0 is technically the first frame.
Mm-hmm.
Frame 1 is the second frame. Frame 9 is the 10th last frame, because that's just how I indexed it, because it made it easier. Well, also you index from 0 in coding, unless you're using MATLAB, which is different. But oh my god, not now, Ellie.
Are you talking about my MATLAB?
Well, yeah, well, MATLAB, like the program.
Wait, who's Ellie?
Ex-girlfriend. We're still friends.
Okay, yeah.
But I'm hitting this statement when I shouldn't be.
Mm-hmm.
Which is bad. But I am now, this part is now right, because this one before I wasn't adding the right value. Like I flipped which one I was supposed to add. So said I would add 0 instead of the 10, or the 10 instead of a 0. Like it was flipped. But this one needs to be less than or equal to, no. It's a really like specific case that I need to make sure I account for.
So, but you know what's happening though, like
Yes.
what's not working,
Yeah.
which is something isn't adding in, right? Or no?
I'm adding up before I'm supposed to. Like I don't have the right. Okay, so for
You're
a
not
strike,
getting the data to add it up.
yes, because for a strike you wait for the next 2 rolls. I'm basically saying, oh, I threw a strike and I did 1 bull, and I'm like, oh, I technically am counting the roll that's a 0 after my strike. Like the one that just gets automatically zeroed. I'm unintentionally counting that as one of the 2 rolls after my strike that I'm supposed to count. And I should not be. That 0 does not count.
Getting extra data on it.
Yes, I'm calculating this before I actually have the next bull I need.
So what holds that extra data point? Like what part in the line is like holding that calculation?
It's like logic. So basically, I'll just explain each chunk. This chunk is basically saying, does this roll have a value in it? And this one does the same thing, but it's the one after it. So like the first one that I highlighted is for the next frame's first roll. The second one is the next frame's second roll.
Why don't you? What happens if you flip those?
I don't know. But I shouldn't, because if
This is when you duplicate everything and put it in a totally different thing, then test it.
no, I just gotta think about it. I gotta think about what I need to change, because I just need to check for something else to make sure that I can't get to where I'm getting, which is where I'm not supposed to be. You know? I need to check more things to make sure I'm actually able to do what I need to do next.
Everybody wanna come my way. Everybody wanna know my name. Drop it down to the ground while I blow propane. I don't need to do cocaine. All this energy I bring. All alone on my own, that freedom ring. I'm a great Dane, use a little pop boy. Always talking, but I never gave a fuck, boy. I have decided
Fits.
I will stay alive for the ride. I'll be fine. The money is in my eyes.
Trip about the numbers, then I got them up. Get my eyes quite low, might just blame it on the cup. Yeah, it's mighty difficult. Running at the blues, can you keep up? You used to give a fuck, now I'm banking on some luck. Turned an average text with left a flex and all expensive stuff. Yeah, it's mighty difficult. Running at the blues, can you keep up? Yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running. Yeah. Yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running. Can you keep up? Yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running, yeah, I'm running. Yeah,
Maybe I just add another little piece in here. That might be what I need to do, which is so ugly, but if it works, it works. And uh-oh, your webcam died.
It's because I swiped down my notification. I was trying to look where my phone's at. I was like, where did I put my phone? Then I remember I'm using it as a camera.
So I think I can do this and basically say so either the one after my strike is filled. Okay, you went to your own cam. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if I can do. Can I do this?
You can do that. You're covering code, but if you put yourself on the right side.
No, I'm trying to see if I can tilt my camera down. I don't know what this fucking looks like. I can't see anything. Also, this is about to get hella streamception. I mean, I guess that kind of works. I kind of wish it was down more. Hold on. I don't think it can go down more.
Oh, did you pause my stream? Okay, you paused my stream. I'm trying to figure out why I froze.
It's a freeze frame on mine.
Oh,
I guess
okay.
technically that works. I don't know when the monitor starts coming into view. Also, now there's Christmas music playing. Sure.
So that one is done.
Or this sounds like Christmas music, I should say. Also, I need to get rid of the. Oh, this is so much better of a view than the camera. I need to get rid of
Your mouse going trail mode.
Oh yeah, there.
All right, I think I fixed it.
Hit that compile button. You'll figure it out very soon.
I want to think about it first. So either the one after is set and the one after is not set, or the one after is a 0 and the one after is set. Those are the only two cases that it'll allow. Time to hit the compile button or the command. All right, how many players are playing? 2. Panini, Jammo. What the fuck?
I'm
Oh, I didn't save. I didn't fucking save. I didn't save. That's why. This doesn't count. This doesn't happen. It didn't happen. Compile again. There we go. 2 players. This time I'm player 1, you're player 2. Why is it doing that? What the fuck?
Milkshake, no fries. Baby dumb, sicky like a bovine. She is not a cow, mama so fine.
It's just doing equal values now.
It's going to. Because I'm essentially giving us strikes at any point we can possibly get a strike. Just for testing these things. I also somehow got a -1.
Oh, so you're purposefully getting all strikes right now.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What the fuck did I do?
That -1 doesn't make any sense.
You're telling me.
Because before that, that's pretty smooth.
Except it's wrong, but
It is wrong because it's not doing. Because you said it only adds 10 when it's a strike.
a strike is a strike. A strike in a frame basically does. The frame is worth 10 plus your next 2 rolls. And it's not doing that. Hold on, let me run it again. 2 people, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it is for some reason still calculating on that, which it should not be. Milkshake, no fries.
Wait, is this just a crotch cam now of me? Hold on.
Dude, crotch cam, but the mic's covering your crotch.
I guess, yeah. Also the trail. Also, I need to fix this.
Oh, you know what you could do?
Oh,
You could get like a hot shoe mount or a cold shoe mount for your mic. And then you just have 2 mounting points. They're going bananas.
I'm just trying to move it up. Okay, never mind. You know what? Let's stop that. It's just like right in the middle of my chest. It's not supposed
You fucked
to
it
be.
up.
Hold on. Settings, snap. General snap. Snap to sensitivity to be like 1. Hold on, let's just do full streamception of this. Boom. There we go. We're at the top. Sounds like a fucking DS array. Jesus Christ. I need to get like a currently playing widget.
Me too.
Let's say, I guess if I want to look at my stream, I should look at it through like YouTube.
Yeah.
Streamception, okay. Also, I should probably throw this piece of mail out of my camera view in case someone starts enhancing the video and be like, I want to see his address.
Computer, enhance.
Enhance. Even though by the time that technology is out, I'm probably not going to be living here anymore, nor alive.
Maybe not living there, but maybe while you're alive. I wouldn't be surprised.
Just ungodly AI upscaling.
I mean, I guess if there's absolutely no detail, then it's pretty much impossible, but...
When there's a will, there's a way.
I mean, they were able to grab audio from a plant through a window of what was happening in the room because the micro changes in the movement of the leaf was enough vibration for them to calculate what the sound was, like the sound waves.
Exactly. So that means if they have a single pixel worth of an address, boom, you're dot. You're dot.
You're dot, bro. You're dot.
You're dot.
You are dotted.
I've used like 20 pieces of paper for scratch today.
What am I calling? Score calc. It's after bowl. What the fuck? Respectfully.
Okay, why am I just hearing solid Christmas music? Can we not do Christmas music right now? No more cookies and milk. Screw your cookies and milk.
No, not my cookies and milk. I hate you.
Nah.
You've been unmodded, fuck you.
I've not been unmodded. Exactly.
Try it again.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh! How dare you?
There, now you're back. I reinstated your modness. But when did they add that? You could just add people as mod? In chat?
What do you mean?
Or was that always there?
Type in mine.
Oh, now I
Or
got
is
it.
it like /mod? I don't know. It's not cool like Twitch used to do where you could just like pop and boo. Do you just click on them? Wait, what do you do?
If you hit the triple dot when you hover over their message.
Oh,
Oh! Oh, it's only from the studio dashboard.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say I can't do that here.
I see you do that.
I know, I'm moving off. Tweak my stream key.
Why the fuck is it doing this? It shouldn't be. Did I save? And recompile? Am I not, like, what the fuck? It should totally not be doing that.
Apparently I have 100 hours of watch time now, officially.
What the fuck? Of something we were.
Error, you need to change your current video resolution. Why? The current resolution 2560 by 1440, which is not supported for this configuration. Expected video resolution. Wait, so you have to like chrome it down to that? I thought
No, you need to tell it that you're at a different resolution. Oh, because you're not doing the way you're doing it, it's forcing you. Oh, it's not forcing you down? Interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, it's gonna be mad. You are streaming in 1440p, but it's gonna be mad about it.
How do I change that?
You can't. You can, but you need to use a stream key, not signing in through your YouTube on OBS. That's the only way to fix it.
Technically, do stop streaming, edit it, then boom back in, or does that go just fuck everything up?
It might fuck everything up.
Okay, I'll just leave. I'll leave it. I'll do it after.
Baby, bow, bow, bow. Now and forever, I'm gone. I'm gone, gone.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to steal all the people's content.
No.
Even though technically I've been stealing yours this entire time.
And you're just like a faceless creator now.
Yeah. Boom, we're gonna watch the dude that's making a Simpsons hit and run remake.
flame suit, French letter, and my girl bad. Gatekeeper says open, I ain't coming back. 15-minute TED talk collecting 40 rags. 1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math.
Do the math, bitch, do the math. 1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math. Do the math, bitch, do the math. 1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math.
Did the math, I'm baby Johnny Cash. My girl gon' throw it back, that my life is cinemax. Holy hell, this max, I make hits and you make trash. I'm on vacay, do not ask, poolside eating apple jacks. Shut up, bitch, shut up. Big deal like TJ Maxx, bought some cataracts. Watching art attack, Nick Cage how I act. Heavily dislike tax.
Okay.
Some aces on my feet, never wear a mask. I'm in the cut like a wound, wake your ass up, make some room. And my girl, coming soon. I don't fuck with honeymoons, throw some money on my tune. Finesse too hard, I'm feeling girls love me, they want a spoon. Let me finish, I'll resume. Flame suit, French letter, and my girl bad. Gatekeeper
So if I'm
I ain't coming back. 15-minute TED talk.
I'm grabbing that next one no matter what.
1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math.
And if the one after that is not equal to 1, -1, which means it can be 0. And oh, I'm stupid.
Cameo, she said I'm a Romeo. She gon' split me up and lit me up like Oreo. First global book deal, sell that shit to Indigo. Getting money since I was a itty bitty
Embryo.
My money when I die for the fam. Always make a sale. Cab to my
I think I'm really dumb.
trying to play some games where I don't play Catan. I'm a plug, she an outlet, cut up Mr. Middleman. Yeah, I got ass that she wants to come see.
Because if it be 0,
Goddamn, I sound good on this beat.
then that's the rule.
Natural ET, flame suit, French letter, and my girl bad. Gatekeeper says open, I ain't coming back. 15-minute TED talk collecting 40 rags. 1 million paid in
Okay, so if I roll a 0, then I use it.
First off,
Please don't ask me how I did it.
Mommy got me winning, yeah, I'm glad I ate my spinach. I ain't that extra, pockets always extra. Need a little lecture. If I give up, you could find myself like rotting in a lecture. At the rate I'm going, this baby's gonna be in out of next year. Yes, of course.
Maybe equals. Maybe I check if it's last. If that was a strike. That was a strike.
Every time the bag is secure, whip a range when it's speeding to the top. Let me steer, it's getting near, it's getting near, it's in the clear, it's in the clear. There's a big bag on my feet, so I ran it up. Making little cash from my deeds, hoping it enough. Working on my craft every week, never turns up. Begging on my luck, hoping I'll never get stuck. Baby, only about this water, lady front I'm sorry. Baby, make your favorite rapper.
That's not equal to 10.
Baby, always killing shit, I wonder if you
And the next one's not set.
I'm sorry, I said I'm fucking sorry.
Okay. So if I rolled a strike, this can't happen. Until I roll my next strike. But if I roll anything there, then not 10. So if I roll a
Baby, make your favorite rapper look like shit, I'm sorry. Baby, always killing shit, I wonder if you saw it. I'm sorry, I said I'm fucking sorry.
okay, so either I need to hide this. That puts all of it on screen. Yes. Okay. If I roll a thing and I roll The last thing, if I didn't really strike, and 3 is set. Then I will be using it 3. If 3 is 0 and 4 is set, that means I had a strike. If I roll a strike and a 0, it'll still work. If I roll a strike in anything, it'll work. I think this will work. Why do that? Already did have an issue. So there it should have calculated. +2 +4. Huh? Why did it not score?
I think I need to change my name, bro.
Money, yeah, I got a lot. Haha.
Peso, yen, euro, pound,
Why would it do that? Nah.
bought it. Yeah, nice
Has bitch about it.
new pink, could you feel it? Yeah, bought it. Watch you whip my wrist like I'm Crockett. Yeah, I'm about it.
I don't care at all, cause I got money.
My teeth. Only taking Andre when I do a feat. Mid in the sheets. She want me to last, but she never said please. So proud.
I got my money now.
So
I don't care at all, cause I got money. Well, what it is.
If I'm being honest, yeah, I really never thought I'd get this rich, but I did. If I'm being honest, yeah, the song talk dumbass shit, but it hits. I don't care at all, cause I got money. Right here is my bag. I don't ever check the tag, even though I check the tag.
Okay.
Yo, honestly, I definitely check the tags, bro.
Nah, everyone does.
I don't care at all, cause I got money. I don't care at all, cause I got money.
Baby, no money.
I don't care at all, cause I got money.
I'm playing chess, motherfucker.
Move a piece forward, then I move a piece back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big stacks. Move a piece forward, then I move a piece back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big racks. Move a piece forward, then I move a piece back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big stacks. Move a piece forward, then I move a piece back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big racks. Slow down, bitch. let me get my freeze on. Use a crusty boy, yeah, looking like a crouton. Take a couple leap years, I got my fucking juice on. Pull up on your mom, and I'm hoping that I choose wrong. Out the futon, let me put my shoes on. Using tall lane, yeah, spinning that like woo. Come on, there's no money, you can find me using coupon. Sorry that your ass girl.
So the issue is actually the 8th frame. Why is it being weird? Oh, because the 8th frame is weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big stacks. Move piece forward, then I move piece back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big racks. Okay, so that's why that's being weird. Did he stop his stream? Hello?
Yeah.
Did you turn off your stream?
No. I'm still
Why is it buffering?
Why is it buffering?
Why is it buffering?
It's buffering.
Check your frame upload rate.
Oh my god, it crashed.
I was gonna say, I'm like, his stream just went offline. What the fuck?
It's not even stop. I don't get why my OBS keeps doing this. This has to be the new update to OBS. Because it's either that or it's that plugin that doesn't work, and I can't figure out how to delete it.
All right, well, I fixed my problem a little bit.
Which is...
Except I'm having issues in the 8th frame, which is, I guess, kind of expected, because I have to index slightly differently for that one.
Hey Jason.
Hmm?
How do you go about boiling the eggs like to a full hard-boiled consistency in the hot pot?
10-ish, 11-ish, 12-ish minutes.
In the hot pot there?
In the electric kettle?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How many eggs can you put in at once?
A whole dozen? I think a whole dozen.
There we go.
Okay.
Now we're back.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You fixed it?
Yep.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. I have kilobit.
You do have bits, they're killing it.
Yes.
Oh shit, what was I editing? Where's my cursor? What was I doing? I was tabbing things over. Okay. It's 20 lines. Angry. Oh, it's longer than 20 lines. Oh my god. Yeah, your bitrate is dog shit.
It's at 1600.
Oh my god, it autoed me to 144p. No wonder it looks like dog shit. There we go, that looks fine.
What are you talking about, my boy?
Yeah, look at my machine, it looks great. With that 2:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for mobile. Okay, it just needs to check if the third one and the fourth one are set. Because there's not going to be anything special about it. It just needs to be the second and third. Because that's what it'll always be. So it's just making sure they're set. And then using them. One player, this guy.
Yes, sir.
All right, time to put in the other checker mode. All spares, because if I can do all spares and all strikes, I'll be fine. Like, pretty much guaranteed. Like, nothing else should have issues. And that still tallies up properly. Yes, sir. Programmer moment. Oh, it needs to not show the negative ones. Oopsies. And that's in the print function, which I have space for. Oh my god, that function is so big. I mean, it's actually not that big. It's just bigger than we're allowed in the assignment. So that, these lines. Okay, not those lines, but this right here is how many lines?
How you get that money? Yeah, you numbers going crazy. Hurricanes, risk, got some diamonds going crazy. About to bounce back, stuck a rack, I ain't lazy. Might just pull your mommy, cause I heard she want my gravy. Where them bad girls at? 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 I need a nice bitch, acting like a misfit. She's really about the distance. Have you seen my thrift fits? Your wrist game need assistance. What you want for Christmas?
Actually, I have a way. I have a smart way.
Mumbling prolific, but I'm studying linguistics. Mommy's in my place, I do not really know logistics. Why your future thought be telling me I'm narcissistic? Digging, keeping up to life be kinda futuristic. Yo, baby, slow down.
Several of these can just be condensed entirely. They've just got crazy logic, and I don't want to do that.
We was ground floor, now we got a shoe up. Now I want more. BB just flew up. He brought 3 girls, all 3 knew us. I got a hunch, whole lot of crushing.
But there's 1, 2, 3, 4 times I can lose 8. 43. What is 21 minus 43? 22.
Where them bad
plus 8. 14. Plus 1, 15. That's the worst way I could do it though. I don't want to break it up. I guess this only happens for one specific case. So I could actually just... Can I type, please? Thank you. This is the extremely specific case of this happens. Control C. And so this happens, and this happens. It's the niche scenario that this happens, and this happens, and this happens. Copy.
Sorry to bother you again. So when I click down the button and I let it go, and then it unclicks, how long has it been? I've not been paying.
Now count like 10 minutes. That was how I measured it. Oh, did you go offline? Oh my god. Did you go offline this time for real?
Yep.
Okay. I was wondering why I got redirected to a stray gameplay clip.
You should watch it.
I am watching it, bro. You should finish that game, bro.
I should.
Oh, I'm so close to getting done. Now I'm just making all my stuff fit in the size requirements. My programming dick is too big to fit it within 15 lines per function.
Oh, do you have a line requirement on your assignment?
Yeah. So you know how you can run functions that do other things? Our functions have to be 15 lines or less. Which is small, like quite small.
Yeah, that's not a lot of room to write.
Which,
even doing something basic, that's not a lot.
I know. The whole point is he wants you to split up your code to make it easier to read. But now he's forcing, I guess, I'm forcing myself because of the way I want to do it, to make it extremely unreadable, because now I'm just condensing all of my programming with all the strategy I know how to.
You don't need to read it if it works.
I don't need to read it if it works, but the people grading it need to read it.
Here's how I'd grade it. I'd hit that play or compile or whatever.
Compile and then play.
Yeah. Whatever starts it. If it works, it works. Congratulations. I could care less if it's an absolute mess.
I mean, but it's supposed to not be an absolute mess.
Yeah, but when you get into the real world of doing programming, yes, they have some structure to it, but generally it's a mess.
No.
They make it neat enough, but they have because you can do whatever notes and shit inside there.
You can do comments.
Yeah.
I mean, we're also expected to do comments. Alright, I think I just made it very, small enough now. 21, 36. No, it's one line too long. Uh-oh.
Okay, how much do you get docked for it?
Well, if we add an explanation as to why it's so long, then we don't get docked points. But I don't want to do that.
So
I'd rather just not have to explain it. It's not line even that I can cut, it's just making it more readable.
What's one you can consolidate?
Oh, I already did, I did it. Yeah, it's just, now it just looks like gibberish. Which is not really gibberish if you had to piece through it manually, but I could make it look way more readable if I wasn't stuck to using 15 lines. And all my money, yeah, that's the bare necessities.
If you're actually writing something for someone, they don't really... It's not that big of a deal of how long it is. Is it really? I mean, minus
Kind of.
obviously it would take up more storage or data or space or whatever you want to call.
I mean, the real purpose as to why we're forced to use smaller ones is to break up our code to make it more readable. And also to use less code. To figure out what we can reuse and reuse it.
Yeah, so you're not writing the same thing over and over and over again.
Yeah.
You just reference it. Or whatever you want to call it.
I'm at the part where you're entering the city for the first time.
Entering the city. Oh.
And everyone's freaking out. Oh my god, a cat. What the fuck? Sounding the alarms and everything. Oh, the thing is the thing. Print. I miss visual. I have a couple lines to spare in this one. I can do it. If blah blah else blah blah X. Put it there. Cause I got my double money, yeah, that's the very necessity.
I got the drip. Got too many bitches, fuck the Uber, called the ship. They wanna fuck right now. Nice, they can't take me down. May I be stacking this money. I just be smoking all loud. Feel like Jimmy Neutron got a blast. Feel like I done grew up when I finally got some cash. I gotta clean the drip. $3 off on the left. Uber on the way to fuck your bitch. 40 bump out with the grip. Okay, pussy, but reckless. He get catchy, his hands like Wanda. Leo out of space, I'm in the cosmos like I'm Wanda. Need a bit like Nicki, run my dick like Anaconda. That's a fat bitch, she couldn't fit inside the Honda. Why is there one unnecessary amount of bitches on my dick?
Yeah.
Also, it says you're playing Master Chief Collection.
I am. What do you mean? This is Master Chief Collection. I'm programming the game. I'm programming co-op campaign split screen because they won't. What do you mean? There's bowling in that game. I don't know what you're talking about.
I think the entire Halo community would pay you if you did that.
No. I would never do that because then I'd have to make it good. And then I'd also somehow have to get source code and figure out how to compile it. Mm-hmm. My brain is about fried here. What am I looking for? Scores. 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 Length. Or no, I. Scores I. Oh, it's just J. If score IJ equals -1. Save. Compile. Run. How many players are playing? 1. This dude.
I was supposed to get a reimbursement check from UCC, so I, can pay for my books and stuff, but I haven't got shit yet. Because I still don't even have half the books for my classes. And I'm in week 2, coming into week 3.
Damn. Imagine using textbooks.
They're not textbooks, they're online. Also, the chat gets perfectly in the way of your code.
Sounds like a not me problem. Sounds like a people watching problem. I'm not worrying about it. What, you can't read through the fucking chat? Can't believe it.
Nah. Also, did Cyril die? What happened to Cyril?
Oh, he's in Arizona visiting family.
Oh yeah, he had a flight.
Yeah.
Wait, so how did he stream today then?
He streamed today?
Did he? Or am I thinking yesterday?
I don't think he streamed today.
Yeah, I'm off my
Rocker.
whatever you. Yeah.
Off your meds. All right, time to input these into. I'm gonna screenshot it. Fucking, I don't care. Screenshot. Done. Save to photos, sure. Let's go over here. Photos. Delete. Okay. Add a game. All right, what do we get? 8, 1, 10, 5, 4, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 7, strike, 9, 0, 6, 3, 0. Oh, I got the wrong number. TikTok. Oh, what the fuck? Why isn't it entered right? Hold on, what? It was not correct. I didn't type it in correct. 8, 1, strike. 5, 4, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 7, strike, 9, 0, 6, 3, 0. Oh, I'm an idiot, that's why. Okay, no, it calculated it right. We're good. Auto didn't let me put a 0 in the last slot, and I kept trying to put a 0 in the slot manually.
Also, how's your job going?
Not bad. I just haven't had time to actually do my job. Things are kind of backing off, which is nice. I'm backing off more so that it's not like...
into hours, though?
Yeah. But now it's more so... grain fried. It's not getting things to work now, it's just proving that they work all the time. So it's less intense. Now it's just like, stick stuff on there.
The reliability and dependability.
Yeah, although they should be fine. Everything that they were all built upon was tested for long periods of time and worked fine. And there's stuff in the field right now that we'll get back soon that we'll see if they worked properly. I don't know how soon we'll get them, but we'll get them eventually.
So basically, you're technically doing nothing because you're waiting.
Sorta. But I also have a flow chart to make, which is kind of fun. I get to make a flow chart for how this stuff is programmed. I have to test if some like Ethernet stuff works, which is kind of fun. Because we can plug out those little Arduino bitches into internet and use internet stuff. And 4G and all that stuff, which is kind of cool. For like logging data while they're out there, like real time. Just fun. So I have that, I need to test the Ethernet. And then I'm shoving a whole bunch of sensors onto one little board, and for some reason some of them aren't working. Like they were working, I hooked stuff up incorrectly, like voltage to voltage type beat, you know, or a voltage to ground short circuit type beat. And things stopped working. So I just left after I did that. Because I was like,
So
I don't know.
Yeah.
No.
You made a problem, just left it for the next guy.
I don't know what I did. But letting things sit for a day causes results to change. So I will come back tomorrow and see what happened. And see if I can get it to work. But yeah, I realized after I hooked it up incorrectly, I was like, oh, that's not good. I also figured out it did that because my Raspberry Pi crashed, so I couldn't type on it, and I'm like, that means one thing. I short-circuited.
That's what I was going to do. I was going to look up Clara's vehicle, and I was going to look up the quoted hours, so I can give her a price quote.
Wait, quoted hours, what do you mean?
Flat rate, so you get paid per job, not per hour.
Wait, how do you know how long it'll take?
I have a database that tells me that.
Oh my god, there's a whole database for it?
Yeah, there's a database for every vehicle.
That tells you how long it takes to do that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Well,
There's multiple types of databases that do it. It tells you basically how to take, you know when I was talking about like manuals?
Yep.
To take apart things? Yeah, that's what the database is. And it tells you how long it takes to do each one of those things.
Are they free and you just have to know the database?
No. No.
Or is it like you have to be a tech to know?
It's like $1,000 per year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I got it through UCC, so I have a year's worth of access because of my tuition.
Mm.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use it.
Yeah.
Transmission. Four-wheel drive. Automatic. Yes. Quotes. Labor.
I guess I'll be done for the night. I got my program to work. All I need to do is test compile it on our servers. And then, actually I can do that. No, I shouldn't do that now. That'll expose my email address. And I don't want to do that. Not my school email address. So, good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Just kidding, not tomorrow, Tuesday.